is the people that can be bought. We have to
Sir,
get
and remember, sir, that there are more no P's in Jamaica than JLP and PNP.
That's where I'm getting at. Because the people
That's the election is to be won.
the people that can be bought.
What we have had in Jamaica, sir, over the
Yeah.
last many elections are the election of the bases.
Yes. Yes.
Okay? And so the part, like how I've been saying all day, that, that who you think go to these political meetings, sir? Who you think go to these political meetings?
These people are the same PNP and the same JLP.
It's predominantly made up the base, sir, of the
Yes.
party.
Yes.
Yes? Those are the ones that go on the buses. And the danger here, sir, is that some of these people are transactional.
Yes.
And they will not get on the bus, I can tell you, if them not get them. Me not ask you that.
And those are the ones I say, the ones that can be bought. You cannot, you cannot.
Yes, sir.
Because if you understand the election and the direction in which politics is going, the ones that are PNP will be PNP, the ones that are JLP will be JLP, the ones that are to be bought will be the ones that are to be bought. But the masses of it, if people should look on it, the masses of it are sitting down and twiddling their toes and thinking to see where am I supposed to put my X, because that person that may put their X at the head at the last election, it doesn't mean that they're going to put their X at the head at this election. They're waiting to see the policies. What does the government has in store for them based on where the government is at? Where will they take them? And what the PNP have, can they give them better than what they're receiving now? And when they do the analysis, when they're going to make that X, it all boils down to where they can benefit from, because these people are going to be the entrepreneurs of tomorrow. These people are planning for their children's future and their children's children's future. So